The strange part about quitting porn for 90 days is realizing how abnormal your normal had become. The constant brain fog, the late-night scrolling, the empty feeling after another dopamine binge while telling yourself last time for the 100th time. You stop noticing it after a while, until you finally step away from it long enough to feel the difference. The first few weeks are ugly. Your brain keeps searching for stimulation constantly. You unlock your phone without thinking. Silence feels uncomfortable. Your mind tries negotiating with you at night when you're tired, lonely, or stressed. That's when most people relapse. Not because they're weak, because they built a habit of escaping every uncomfortable emotion instantly. But somewhere around the second month, things begin changing quietly. Your attention span gets stronger. You stop needing 5 different sources of stimulation just to sit at your desk. Conversations feel more real because your brain becomes less numb. Even physically you notice it. Your eyes look more awake. Your sleep improves. Workouts feel sharper because your energy isn't constantly disappearing into late-night dopamine cycles. And mentally, there's less chaos. You stop feeling controlled by every urge that enters your head. That's the real transformation. Not becoming some perfect version of yourself, just finally being able to sit with discomfort without immediately escaping into fantasy. By day 90, your life won't magically fix itself, but your brain starts feeling cleaner, more stable, more disciplined, and for the first time in a long time, you begin trusting yourself again. No noise, only discipline.